Hi, I'm Glenn from Central Oregon Truck. I am a driver coach, and today I'm going to show you how to set up log bunks. So to put it in here, you got two 4x4s that are cut a certain length. You get two of them in every trailer, and then just start putting your bunks on. And watch your fingers when you're doing this. You just slide them down into the holes. Go through around onto your deck. And then you take it and do not connect it to the trailer on this chain. Connect your chains on the side of the 4x4. As tight as you can get them. Then you do, oh shoot, another chain. And you're gonna wrap this one. Come around. Go underneath. And then clip this. Then you will put another binder here. And it does not have to be tight, it's just stopping forward movement. That's how you do the bunks.